Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Last class we studied about fruits. Before that we studied about flowers. Now it's time to study about vegetables. Yes, you all eat vegetables daily. With your chapati you eat your vegetable. Yes, now today we are going to study a few vegetables, and in the next class we will again study about few more vegetables. So let's see what vegetables we are going to study today. The first one is brinjal. See, there are so many pictures of the brinjal teacher has put up here. Yes, you can see there are brinjals here. Yes, that is the brinjal. Brinjal has a crown on the top. You know, उसके पास crown है. That is why brinjal is the king of the vegetables. Like mango is the king of the fruits, same way brinjal is the king of the vegetable. And you can see there are different types of brinjal here. There are black color, there are purple color, there are long green color, long purple, ऐसे ही long black भी होता है, then green and then purple, then blackish color का भी होता है, white color का brinjal होता है, small एकदम marble जैसा भी होता है. So there are different types and different sizes of brinjal available in the market. And we make vegetable, we use brinjal in lot of other different things, mixed vegetable. So we make brinjal into different forms and we eat that. But we have to cook the brinjal. हम लोग ब्रिंजल कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. So this is the brinjal, the king of the vegetables. Then we have lady's finger. You can see lady's finger is long in shape. It is like a cone shape. See the cone shape of the lady's finger. And even the lady's finger has a crown on the top. And lady's finger is dark green in color. Like you saw, brinjal, it grows on small plants. Same way even the lady's finger, they grow on small plants. And they both have many seeds inside them. Even the brinjal has seeds, even the lady's finger they have seeds. But we do not remove the seeds of both the vegetables. We cook it. When we cook the vegetable, we cook the seeds along with it. So that was brinjal. This is lady's finger. Next we have is my favorite, tomato. Yes, what is the color of the tomato? It is red in color. And even the tomatoes, they have many seeds, and we can eat the seeds. If you want, you can remove the seeds. It is okay. Even the tomatoes, they grow on small plants. First, the tomatoes are green in color, the raw tomatoes. And then slowly when it becomes ripe, it turns into red color. And you get small cherry sized tomatoes also. They are called cherry tomatoes. And tomatoes are used in salad. Tomatoes are used to make soup and sauces also. And tomato is my favorite vegetable. Then we have cabbage. You can see the cabbage. There are two color cabbage teacher has put up. One is the green color cabbage and one is the purple color cabbage. Cabbage is a leaf vegetable. There are many leaves put up together and the vegetable is formed. And we eat the leaves. Cabbage is not a leafy vegetable. There are the leaves of the cabbage. And cabbage grows on the ground. जैसे lady's finger, brinjal, tomatoes, they grow on small plants. Cabbage, they grow on the ground. And we remove the whole cabbage. We remove the extra leaves from here. And inside we get the cabbage. And cabbage is a big vegetable. Like compared to lady's finger and tomato, cabbage is a big vegetable. Next we have cauliflower. Even like cabbage, same way cauliflower also grows on the ground. And you know, cauliflower, उसके नाम में ही flower है. when you cut the cauliflower, there are many small, many florets which come out like flower shape. वो बाहर आते हैं, and we cut that, and that is cooked like that. And you know, you have to clean the cauliflower very carefully, because as it grows on the ground, there are many worms inside. बहुत सारे worms होते हैं. So we have to clean the cauliflower very carefully. Next we have is pumpkin. Pumpkin is a big vegetable, and like watermelon, pumpkin grows on the creepers. This is the creeper, and the pumpkin grows from the creeper, and it lies on the ground because it is very heavy. Like same like watermelon, बहुत heavy है. So अगर ऊपर उसको उगाएंगे तो वो तो नीचे गिर जाएगा. That is why God has made creepers. Watermelon, pumpkin, they grow on the creepers. And pumpkin is bright orange in color, and there are many seeds inside the pumpkin which we remove before cooking. Bottle gourd, one of my favorites again. Bottle gourd is a long vegetable. You can see how long it is. Yes, and bottle gourd is light green in color, and inside, when we remove the skin, inside the color is white. And there are many seeds which we can consume, which we can eat that. And teacher showed you the grape plant, the grape vineyard. Yes, the same way bottle gourd also they grow on climbers. The plant needs support to grow. That is why these bamboos are kept everywhere. So the plant takes the support of the bamboo and they grow. And the bottle gourd grows on the climbers. And you know bottle gourd को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? लौकी. Yes, लौकी. And we make vegetable, we make halwa out of the bottle gourd, which is very yummy. Next we have bitter gourd. टीचर ने ये हिंदी में भी सिखाया था आपको, क से करेला. बट जब भी हम EVS पढ़ेंगे, that time we will not say ये करेला है. We will say this is bitter gourd. Even the bitter gourd, they grow on climbers. Same like bottle gourd and the grapes. Yes, the plant needs support to grow. The stem is very weak. उसमें ताकत ही नहीं होती है. That is why there are bamboos kept there, and with the support of the bamboo, the plant grows. The climber of the bottle gourd and the bitter gourd grows, and the vegetable grows on that. And you know, करेला तो कड़वा होता है, but it is very healthy. You remove the seeds from inside, and then you cook the vegetable. And if you cook it very nicely, it is tasting very nice. वो कड़वा लगता ही नहीं है. And you should eat karela. I also eat karela. I like bitter gourd, but not always. Sometimes, even I eat karela sometimes. Even you should eat bitter gourd. Next we have is capsicum. Wow, capsicums are so beautiful. Yes or no? Now here in Vasai we get 3 color capsicums: green color, red color and yellow color. But when you go outside India, there you have the orange color capsicum also, and some places you have purple color capsicum also. Yes, but they are very rare. And where do we use this capsicum? Yes, we use it on the pizza toppings. We put all the 3 color capsicums in the pasta. We make pulao out of it. Yes, so, and it makes our food very colorful and beautiful. And capsicum also has many seeds inside, which we remove it, and it grows on small plants. Yes, see, even because there are many capsicum here, the plant can stand. The stem is strong, but because there are many capsicum, the plant might fall down. That is why a support is kept here, so that the capsicum plant can stand straight. The capsicum belongs to the chili family. वो chili जैसा होता है. So it belongs to the chili family. Next we have is cucumber. Cucumber again is a salad vegetable. Like tomato, we eat cucumber also in a salad form. Raw खा सकते हैं, कच्चा खा सकते हैं. And you know cucumber we get in two colors, light green color and the dark green color. And both the cucumbers are very very tasty. आपको ये खाना चाहिए. You know why? Because cucumber has lots of water inside. और अगर आप समर सीजन में डेली cucumber खाओगे तो आपका बॉडी हमेशा हाइड्रेट रहेगा. मीन्स आपके बॉडी में हमेशा वाटर रहेगा. यू शुड ईट cucumber. और उसमें भी बहुत सारे सीड्स होते हैं, बट दैट इज ओके. आप सीड्स खा सकते हो. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. You nicely you put some salt and chaat masala on it and you can eat the cucumber. And cucumber is very very good for your health. But if it is eaten in the morning time, afternoon salad में, रात को cucumber बहुत लोग नहीं खाते. That is okay, उनका मर्जी है. That is okay. But if you want, you can eat it in the afternoon lunch time. Salad में आप cucumber खा सकते हो. So let's revise all the vegetables again. Brinjal, king of the vegetable. Then we have lady's finger, tomato, cabbage, cauliflower, pumpkin, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, capsicum and cucumber. So all these vegetables we studied today. Next class we are going to study some more vegetables. But आज पता है आपको एक सरप्राइज है. Today you are not going to get any home assignment in EVS. आज आपको EVS में मैंने कुछ भी home assignment नहीं दिया है. You know why? Because tomorrow Friday we have our drawing competition. So आज आप ये वीडियो स्टडी कर लो. फिर उसके बाद आप जो टॉपिक है हमारा सीनियर केजी का, दैट इज बटरफ्लाई. आप अच्छे से बटरफ्लाई, बहुत सारे बटरफ्लाईज ड्रॉ करो, कलर करो, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो. एंड ऑन फ्राइडे आप मुझे एक अच्छा सा बटरफ्लाई ड्रॉ करोगे, कलर करोगे एंड यू आर गोइंग टू सेंड इट टू मी. सो टुडे इज योर प्रैक्टिस डे फॉर योर बटरफ्लाई. ओके. एंड व्हाट एल्स? नेक्स्ट क्लास आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द प्रॉपर असाइनमेंट. जो वेजिटेबल्स हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी स्टडी किए हैं आज और जो हम करने वाले हैं, दैट वी विल राइट इन अवर स्केच बुक. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ दीज वेजिटेबल्स ऑल्सो. वेजिटेबल्स आर वेरी इजी. यस. सो यू स्टडी नाइसली. इफ यू हैव सम वेजिटेबल्स इन द हाउस, यू लुक एट दोज वेजिटेबल्स. मम्मी के पास अगर है वेजिटेबल्स जो टीचर ने आज करवाए हैं, look at those vegetables, tell mommy to cut that. उनके seeds देखो, study the vegetable, see the color, touch the vegetable, how it is, see the texture and tell me. Okay, next class we will do more vegetables. Till that time, thank you my dear children. You're going to stay home and stay safe. Eat all the healthy vegetables and teacher misses you a lot. Bye-bye my dear children. Keep practicing for your tomorrow's drawing competition, butterfly. Bye.